What's up guys, and thanks for stopping by the channel. So guys, in this video I have a little update of that beeswax rendering machine that I came up with. So as you can see now guys, I changed out the two board box, the two nukes that I had stuck on each other, and now I'm using a metal box. So the metal will withstand the heat a lot better, and the metal is also going to get hot. So wherever that beeswax drain, and the metal is going to help to melt that wax as well, because it's going to be hot. So guys, as you can see the setup, I have that little container there that the wax is going to drain into, and now inside the box I have two pieces of metal sheeting that is tilt on an angle. It's tilting towards the middle of the box. So whenever the beeswax melt, it's going to run down on those two pieces of metal sheeting, and it's going to run straight out the entrance that I have down there, and then collect in the container here. So that's the setup guys, and here is the heat gun. I just drill a hole in the metal box and connect the heat gun to it. So the heat gun is what is going to blow the heat inside the box, and this is the cover that I have here. So as you can see, I got hardware cloth in the bottom as well guys. That is to lift the beeswax, keep it up, the honeycombs, keep them up from off the bottom of the box. And I'm going to also add a piece of cloth, which is going to be the filter to filter that beeswax. So here is the piece of cloth guys, I just added. It's a piece of pillowcase, old pillowcase. And now guys, here is the old pieces of comb. In the last video, many persons was curious to know if the old comb can be melted inside this machine. So I already know that it can be melted inside. Once it have enough heat inside, it will melt. So I'm just going to put them inside right now, and then we test it out. So guys, one tip: if you're going to make one of these, the piece of cloth that you're going to put in the bottom guys, do not use a colored cloth. Use a white piece of cloth that is it is already washed out. It's not going to run, because when the heat start penetrating the cloth guys, it's going to, that dye in the cloth is going to come remove from the cloth, and it's going to change the color of the beeswax. So here we are now guys. So I'm just going to cover up this thing and turn on the heat gun. Can see that bees checking it out. So I just turn on the heat gun. So I'm going to give it some time now guys to heat up inside. Then I'm going to return when it starts to melt. So guys, here we are now. It took exactly 6 minutes for the first drop of beeswax to enter the container. So I'm going to show you what's taking place inside. So guys, as you can see, the heat is penetrating that beeswax and the whole brood comb, and it's melting it down now guys. So the wax is going through that cloth, filtering through the cloth, and then running out the box. As you can see right here, it's running at a decent speed, so the wax is melting really fast. The beeswax is dripping really well. So guys, whenever this thing slow down, you notice that the wax isn't dripping as fast. More than likely the wax is finished rendering. Like you see now, it's barely dripping. So most of the beeswax is now out of the box. So as you can see, it start to burn now guys. You see that smoke? Because all that is left now in this box is old cocoons. All the wax have been melted and already rendered straight through the cloth. So this is all cocoons that you're seeing in the box now. So guys, this thing is a really easy process. All you do is just add your combs and cover up that box and turn on the heat gun and set your container for the wax to collect in, and you don't have to do any more major work. You can just sit and watch it melt. If you should boil that wax, you know you have a lot of messy work. So guys, here's the wax now. It's cool and you can see how yellow it is. You got the dark yellow and the lighter yellow. The lighter yellow is the cappings, wax cappings. So guys, this is the next day, and you can see the bees all over this thing. I don't know what they're collecting from it. It's cool now and it's hardened, so whenever I'm going to clean it out, I'm just going to heat it up back and then remove all this garbage. As you can see guys, these are some left the cocoons. They're just waste. So thanks for watching the video guys. Please like, comment, share.
When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when